Okay, so here's a little tip if you go out to eat for dinner, lunch, or breakfast, whatever. If you want some water, do not just ask for water. What they tend to do is they'll give you bottled water and charge you for the bottled water. Instead, ask for a glass of water. Vaso de agua. They don't charge you for the water. The ice is specifically made with filtered water. So you don't have to worry about the ice coming from the tap at all. Vaso de agua. Ask for that and you should not be charged for that. Just a little FYI tip when you drink out or go out. Deuces. I'm here. I don't feel like talking, so just enjoyed the video. I'll add some music to it, but I don't feel like talking. I went to the restaurant, Casa, Antana. Now I have to walk off my food. Woo! Just love the colors here in Centro. Oh, look at this. Oh my, look at all of that. Ooh. Look at this house here. And it looks simple, but it's very nice because the door is flanked by the cactuses. Isn't that pretty? All right, where else are we gonna go? Oh my. One slows down here. All of this color. right, I think we should get across the street while I still can. Ooh, look at this. We were doing this building here. Very nice. It's kind of got like a Roman feel to it. Isel Restaurante. Never heard of it. I have to look that up. Has anyone ever been there? This is pretty. Oh, children running. Oh my. Okay. Again, we got to stay out of the sun. Casa Gelito. That's cute. And this is a hotel here. Oh gosh, I fell in a hole. Very nice here. The downfall is, unfortunately, if you have a home in Centro, sometimes you don't have a driveway. So you have to park outside on the street, which sometimes is not the safest place. This one looks like someone's redoing that house there. Ooh, a print shop. And I guess a light is out, so you have a police officer directing traffic here. La Negrita. I heard of this restaurant. It's more like a cantina. Has anyone ever been there?
Hello.
Hello. Say hello.
Where are you from?
Philadelphia?
Philadelphia.
Yes.
I am from here.
You're from here, from Merida?
I work here.
Okay. Well, nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to see you.
No, thank you. Mucho gusto. Want to cross the street? No. Ah. Hola. Okay. Again, in case I did used to live in Philadelphia, but when people ask me where am I from, I always say Philadelphia. I never actually say the state that I'm from because no one knows. No one here is familiar with the states like they're familiar with the states here in Mexico. Like you're not familiar with the states in Mexico. There's 34, I believe. So I just say that I'm from Philly. Look at you! Look at that! It's growing a flower. Oh,
Yes.
disculpa. It's beautiful.
Sí. El tree crece en la pared.
Ceiba?
Tree, árbol.
Audible.
Árbol.
Okay.
Big, big.
Bye bye. Oh,
Look at me. Ahorita le voy a mostrar algo. Ven,
okay, I'll follow you.
follow me.
Okay. Oh, where's it coming from?
Ya, crece, está creciendo en la pared de la casa.
Oh, it's part of the house.
Sí,
Wow.
Yeah,
Gracias.
de nada. Venga, vemos de cerca.
All right, so this tree is part of this house. It's coming out of the courtyard. Oh, it's a ficus. Ficus. Look at that. Oh, it's two. Dos. Oh my gosh. So no, it's not coming out of the courtyard. It's on the roof.
La pared ya se está cuarteando.
Oh, wow. So it's growing in the house. Oh, you can see it.
Por dentro.
Oh, wow. All right, I want to try to get across the street once the cars.
Look it.
Okay. So it's growing. It's growing in the house. How neat is that? Oh, and the cracks?
Sí.
Grieta?
Sí, todo. La grieta, mientras va creciendo el árbol, va rompiendo la pared. To break,
It breaks.
sí.
Romper.
Sí,
Sí.
rompe la pared.
Oh,
Y en
wow.
cualquier momento esto se puede caer.
They're going to have to tear
Yeah,
down
sí.
this whole wall
Sí.
if they rebuild.
Yes.
Wow. But it's beautiful at the same time.
Antes, before, el restaurant bar.
Oh, it was the restaurant and bar
Sí. Los close.
because of that.
Sí, y ahí había mesas y se servía. Obviamente creo que por el peligro lo cerraron.
Wow. Very nice.
Sí.
Thank you for letting me know.
Mucho gusto.
¿Tu nombre?
Julio,
Julio Jojo.
Yo.
Jojo.
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto, Julio.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. Do y'all see why I go out? I do these walks. Do y'all see why I do what I do? Here to let you guys know if you're planning on, well, particularly here in Merida, if you're planning on moving to Merida, people here are just so wonderful and so kind, so amazing. That was awesome. I did not expect to see that. I have to get out of the sun. So we've been down here before. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm just gonna burn some calories off. All right, you guys enjoy your day. Jojo is out. Deuces.